The beautifully restored 1939 Ford Deluxe Convertible Coupe with rumble seat is a wonderful car. High quality restoration work, beautiful deep blue paint, leather, fantastic dashboard, steering wheel, and love that rumble seat. That's a cool feature. Color looks great in the sun. All that chrome is beautiful. And just a great car. Some nice accessories. It has radio, it has heater, dual side mirrors. Good looking car. Okay, let's take a drive with the car. We've got turn the ignition on. Fires right up, runs quietly. Pressure comes right up. Runs cool. And then let's drives along really nice. Let's open this door and go in the interior. Beautifully finished, correct patterns. This is just nicely restored. Got the rubber floor mat. Look at this wood graining. Look at the dashboard. It is exactly as it's supposed to be. It looks like a new one in here. I like it. Here's the radio. Ford Banjo steering wheel. And rearview mirror, really great, just love it. Beautiful top bows and inner top. I mean, it's all done correctly and nicely. Gives you that new Ford dealer feeling. And we have the nicely trimmed rumble seat in matching leather. And way in there is where they put the spare in case you had a flat. So there's your spare tire all the way underneath there. And there is a handle on the inside of the quarter panel. You push the seat forward and that's how you open the rumble seat. All right, here is the 1939 Ford engine. It is the 24 stud engine, which started in late 38 and continued up through the early 40s. 221 cubic inches. You'll note the crankshaft mounted fan, that's correct for this car, and the crab style distributor. Beautifully finished in here. Wow, this is just, I mean, high quality work. Really nice. This is a good looking engine bay. Park lights, headlights, Let's turn the wipers on. Wow, those things work. Very impressive. Here's a view from the underside of the 39 Ford. So it's obviously a frame-off effort that has been driven some, but really nice and tidy under here, and looks good. Got a nice gas tank. This car is really good underneath, solid, rust-free, excellent. And here she is with the top down. It really just makes the car when you put the top down, drive in the open air, and yeah, how cool is that?